Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to translate Microsoft Word document. So simple and easy way. If you have text in any language and you want to translate in your Word document, so click on review. Then here click on translate content into a different language using the Microsoft Translator online service. So just click here. Here is the option translate selection. Translate the selection with Microsoft Translator. Translate document. Create a translated copy of your document with Microsoft Translator. So you can use any option. First one, translate selection. So just you have to select your text. So it will detect your text and you can translate your desired language. This way. And you can insert by clicking here. So you can see this is the translated content. And if you want to translate whole document, so again click on review, translate, and here click on translate document. So select here document from auto detect, and also you can select your desired language, and here you can select another language like Hindi, then translate. Now wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete. So as we can see, this way you can translate your whole document. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.